YouTube, TikTok, Instagram was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech by E, where we talk about IT. Okay. All right. Today's video, we're gonna talk about Windows updates, level 2 troubleshooting. I already dropped a bunch of videos on Outlook and these other different videos that you guys should check down below. Link down below. But listen, man, I'm trying to help y'all get into IT because, I'm passionate when it comes to tech, and I want to help those that are not in the tech field how to break into tech field. Guys, listen here. I started from customer service, and I broke into tech. Okay, and it wasn't easy. It was not easy, but I worked hard. I don't have any certification, guys. I mean, I have one, which is what is it? Two actually. CCNA and some random certification that don't even mean anything really. But I learned some. But anyways, all I have to say is anybody can get into IT, man. You just gotta put in the work, the grind, and the grit gotta be there. Don't just stack your certifications and then just expect to get a call back, get a job. Nah, build a lab, okay? Build yourself a lab. Do some troubleshooting tickets on this lab. Like, for example, this right here is a lab right here, okay? This thing right here is a lab. Just do that. Learn it. Learn everything that you got to do with servers and everything. You can learn all this for free, guys. For absolutely free. Learn it for free. Okay? Just do that. Okay? Do that. And then you guys will learn stuff. Because, I go to university, and quite frankly, I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna cap. I didn't learn jack. I didn't learn that much in university. Everything that I learned in the university, actually, to be honest with you, is what I've learned on the internet. Guys, the internet is powerful. You can learn a bunch of stuff and do a lot of stuff, especially when it comes to IT, for absolutely free. For absolutely free, guys. Okay? Anyways, enough ramble jamble. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Alright. So, we got the trusty dandy Bob John right here. Okay? He's getting Windows Update error message. We already did the level 1 troubleshooting. Alright, link down below. Now we're doing the level 2 troubleshooting. And again, guys, when it comes to IT, okay, there's no way in heck. I'm just making sure y'all see me. There's no way in heck y'all gonna know, all the troubleshooting steps by heart. 100%. I don't know all the troubleshooting steps by heart. And I'm still in IT. I know a lot of troubleshooting steps by my head, but there's some troubleshooting steps that I don't know. For example, I don't know all the troubleshooting steps by heart. That's why I have notes. And that's why in the IT environment, you gotta make your own notes, and you gotta refer yourself to what? KB articles. Okay? Knowledge-based articles are there for you, at your disposal, for you to troubleshoot and deep dive. That's what you're gonna do in IT. You're always gonna be deep diving. You're always gonna be doing some continuous learning. Always. Anyways, I just want to say that real quick. Okay? So yeah, I have notes right here that y'all okay, so what we gonna do in order to troubleshoot this step? Okay, the first things first, we already did the level 1 troubleshooting steps, right? We already checked, if the date was on time, the date was, the date corresponded with the time that he was trying to, update his computer. We already did that. We already checked, if there was any Windows that updates that were pending that was blocking it to update. Okay, we already did that. We already pinged the internet. Make sure he's connected to the internet. We already did that. If you guys want to get more into that, just link down below, okay? Level 2. What we finna do is we're going to do what you call Windows Update Cache. We're going to clear the cache on a C panel, okay? Control panel. Not C panel, control panel. Control prompt. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to type in CMD, and then you're going to run it as an administrator, okay? And now Microsoft recommends Microsoft recommends that you enter in um, some specific commands in order to clear the Windows cache. Okay, so I have my notes right here. Also, I can put down below the Microsoft Support Center that recommends these commands. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stop the Windows update. You're gonna stop each services. Okay, there's about 3 services. So there's this one, and then there's this one. Okay. Okay, so this one hasn't been started for some reason. So let me start it real quick. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Okay, there you go. And now we're gonna stop it. So hypothetically, by default, I believe Windows Update cache is already, it's already running in the background. So we essentially what we did is we stopped it. We stopped all of the services, right? So this is where troubleshooting number 2 comes into play, where we're gonna basically navigate to the C control panel and delete all of the file and all of the maybe corrupt contents that is preventing the Windows update. You get what I'm saying? Where it's preventing it. Okay? So what we finna do is we're gonna go to this PC, right? C drive, and then we're gonna go to Windows, and then we're gonna go to software distribution, which is this one right here. And then basically we're gonna delete all the contents that's in here. So we're gonna delete it. That's what we finna do. So we're gonna hit delete, continue, and then that should hypothetically delete all of these content. You need permission, provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Continue, 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 and then there you go. And once you've done that, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start it again. You're gonna restart the services. Okay, so actually let me do this. Okay, so we're gonna let me do this. Let me just do shoot. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, so what we finna do is we're gonna start each one. So I already started the bits one by accident. So we're gonna start this one right here. And I'm just gonna copy that. And we're gonna start that one. Then we're gonna start the next one. So it might take some time for it to start. Okay, we're starting this one. It's already been started. There you go. So I guess I already started it by accident, and it's already been started. So basically, what we're gonna do is we restarted everything. Basically, all of this is restarting it. Okay. So what does this do? Well, this helps with to see if there's any corrupt files that was corrupting the Windows update. So once you do that, what you could do is you can restart your PC, and then once you restart the computer for the user, come back and go to Windows Update, right? By going to Settings. Okay, so you're gonna go to the settings of the user, right? So let's pretend this is Bob John's computer. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Windows Update, and then you're gonna check for updates and try running any pending updates again after restarting it. Okay, so if that doesn't work, another thing that we're gonna do is another troubleshooting step is we're gonna run the system file checker. Okay, why are we doing this? Because this is going to fix any corrupt system files that might interfere with the update. Okay, so that's what we're finna do. So you're gonna open up Command Prompt again, CMD, run as an administrator. I don't know why I closed it. That was not necessary. You're gonna click on yes, and then we're gonna type in this command right here. Again, shout out to Microsoft, and then we're gonna basically scan it. We finna scan to see if there's any corrupt system files that is interfering with the Windows update. So we gonna finna do that. This is gonna take a while. Okay, as you guys can see, the verification 1% is it's basically doing what it needs to do. So I'm gonna be back when this is done. This is gonna take a while. All right, so we back. Uh, this thing is not doing what it needs to do. Okay, so it's still stuck at 1%. I ain't gonna wait for this long for it to work. But essentially, in a real IT environment, you know what I'm saying, it should work. Okay, you just run this on the user's computer. And then you kind of just tell them, hey, listen, this is gonna take a while, or you just do it when they're not, working on their laptops or whatever, or if they, you're remoted remotely after hours, whatever. Okay. Anyways, you run this. It's gonna fix some issues when it comes to system files that are corrupted. Another thing is, you can also go on command prompt and run the deployment image servicing and management. Bro, why is this so slow? Yeah, so you can run this, which is basically what it's gonna do is it's gonna repair the Windows image to ensure that it's ready for updates. So I'm just gonna copy this, right? And basically you would run this command right here. Okay, so in order to run that, again, you gotta be admin. So yeah, obviously run all of these programs as an admin if you're remoted to the client's computer, of course. Okay, so you're gonna run in this command, and then you would run this tool right here, which is basically just gonna clean up the Windows image and basically restore it so that it's ready for any updates. Okay, so I'm not gonna run it, but yeah, that's basically what you would do. And yeah, that's basically it. And then if if you want to get a Windows update log, you can also do that on the command prompt. Um, yeah, that's basically it for level 2. Okay, that's basically it. So what we finna do is we're gonna create a note on this ticket, right? And then basically we're gonna do a rundown on what we did. Okay, so this is very important when it comes to IT. You gotta know how to write tickets. You gotta be able to provide troubleshooting steps and screenshots of what you did. Okay, I didn't take a screenshot, but anyways, I'm just gonna write down what we did basically. Okay, so what did we do? We ran Windows update cache. Okay, that's what we did. So Microsoft already has this stuff right here for me. So I'm just gonna copy and basically say ran started and stopped Windows update cache in order to refresh Windows update. Okay, that's what I'm going to write right here. Okay, and then basically I'm going to say run this command right here, and then I'm going to say ran the starts, so all the start commands, and then I would say something like, you know, so ran net stop, ran net start, and then restarted services to fix any corrupt files. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to write. Restarted. Okay, and then I'm going to also write ran or cleared files in the software distribution folder. Okay, because that's what we did. And then I'm going to also say that we ran Um, what else did we run? We ran CFC, the system file checker, CFC /scan now, and then brackets system file checker. Again, guys, you can use AI to write these notes if you want to, but I'm just doing this manual for now. And then when it comes to sending the email to Bob John, I'll use Chat GPT in order to do that. Okay. So yeah, ran. Okay, and then we also ran the deployment image. Right, ran. Okay, well, let me just write it out. Ran. This is what we ran, and then brackets. I'll just put in what we ran online / cleanup image / restore health. Okay, so yeah, we ran. That's basically all we ran, right? And if of course, you want to add, you know, screenshots so that it's more professional, and your tickets, are well done, right? So add the screenshots, right? So you just add a file or whatever, add a screenshot, make sure that the ticket is clean. Okay, this is all part of the IT service management, ITSM, ITL. It's all part of that stuff. Okay, just know how to write your ticket properly. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, so now they know exactly what I did, so that if the level 3 looks at this, they'll be like, okay, yeah, he did this. Okay, yeah, he ran the Windows update cache in order to refresh the Windows updates. Okay, he did that. Yeah, he did all of this. Okay, looks good. Okay, and so when your manager's looking at your ticket, he's gonna be like, okay, yeah, I know exactly what Eric did. Okay, all right, and let's say doing all this resolved Bob John's issue. So now what we finna do is we're gonna send an email to Bob John. So I believe it's forward. Nah, it's not forward. It should be reply. And now we responding Bob John. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up Chat GPT, open that up. Okay, open that up, and then basically I'm just gonna ask it to write a email to Bob John that the issue has been resolved. Write an email, IT email, has been resolved, and we followed the troubleshooting steps, and then just paste in this, right? And basically it just generated it. So I'm just gonna copy that, put that in here. Okay. Actually, you know what? This is gonna be too complicated for the user to understand what we did. So I'm just gonna ask it to be less, technical. Okay. Make this less technical, easy for the user to understand. Okay, so that's what I'm finna do. Okay, that's more like it. So this is gonna be the subject line, right? But we're basically sending them an email within the ticket, right? So I'm gonna be like, hey, dear Bob John, hello. Dear is kind of weird. But hello, Bob John. Hope you're doing well. Nah, I'm gonna delete that. I'm happy to let you know that the issue with your Windows update has been resolved. Here's a quick summary of what we did. Reset Windows Update services. We stopped and restarted the service responsible for Windows updates to refresh them, right? That's what we did. Clear the temporary update files. So we removed any old update files that might have been the cause of the issue. Check system files. We ran system scan to find and repair any damaged files. Perform health check on Windows. Blah blah blah. Okay, sounds nice. Sounds pretty much good, professional, corporate. You know what I'm saying? And then you just basically sign it off as you as the IT service desk level 2 or whatever. Okay, right? Everything's not working as explained. Please let me know if you run it. Okay, that's just what we call customer service. This is what we call customer service. Remember? You know what I'm saying? Remember when I said I used to work in customer service? This is exactly customer service. This is exactly why my camera look like that. Anyways, this is what I call customer service. This is exactly like when you're working at McDonald's and you're giving them the tray. You feel me? You're giving them the food that they want. Okay, so you want cheeseburger, fries, etc. Okay, you go and you enter that into the POS system, IT. You enter that into the POS system. Okay, so you want this, and that. Okay, is that it, sir? Okay, so your total is gonna be X, Y, and Z. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. Okay, yeah, this is troubleshooting stuff that we did right here. Okay, yeah, we did all that. You feel me? Okay, yeah, we did all this. Okay, boom. Okay, yeah, we did all this. All right, then you're giving out the receipt and say, hey, yo, listen, we just fixed your issue. All right, this is what we did. Let me know if you got any other issues. And then, yeah, this is what I call quality ticketing right here. This is quality. This is a quality ticket right here that we just did. The only thing is we didn't add any screenshots. If we add a screenshot, this will look fantastic. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm glitching like crazy because my computer can't handle me right now. Can't handle what I'm doing. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. I am glitching like crazy. I can see myself glitching. But yeah, that's the video. We out. Peace.